Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and we're going to get going into week 2 War of the Worlds on our suggested schedule as we start getting into the actual Civil War. Before we do that, let me just make a couple of reminders. First of all, thank you for watching the weekly video. We don't have school technically on Monday for Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So our suggested schedule will run Tuesday through Friday. And let's see. As always, we do have a weekly quiz. Please take that first right here at the beginning of the week as a pre-assessment. Take notes. You will be turning in your notes this week, so make sure you take really good notes on what's on the quiz, and then take it again on Friday, end of the week, and get 100%. All right. The other thing I want to remind you about is your gradebook and how to use the gradebook. Many of you know how to do this. Some of you might not. But when you click on the tab over here called Grades, this will bring up your gradebook. It will have your overall grade at the top and the bottom. And then every assignment will be listed out here. It will be the assignment in order, as well as the due date. And then over here, see these symbols? These mean that they are turned in. That's a quiz symbol. That's a discussion symbol. That's an assignment symbol. These are the grades. This means that the assignment was turned in. This means that it was graded. I did grade it and have returned it. And then also I will put feedback over here, and this is where you can find feedback. So for example, on this one, the student turned in something but didn't do the assignment correctly, so the symbol means it's turned in. The 1 out of 20 means it was turned in but wasn't done correctly, and so this is my feedback about how to do it correctly. And then these are some assignments that are turned in but have not yet been graded. I will get to those soon. But I want everyone to check definitely every Monday or beginning of the week, and you should check your grades several times during the week. And where did we go here? Let me get back to this page. Okay, great. So Unit 3, the United States Civil War, and here we are, Unit 3, Week 2, War of the Worlds. So as we look through this, things will be set up day 1 through 4. You will have a quiz. It is in the day 4 folder. And you're also going to be, as I said, take good notes, not just on the quiz, what will be on the quiz, but use those notes. And then as you go through, kind of have a lot of videos this week. As you go through the videos, take notes, especially on the material that you need to focus on. And then let me see. Here, so in day 1, we have timeline to look over, and then we have this first assignment is a vocabulary assignment, but it's a visual vocabulary assignment. So what I want you to do, first look over the vocabulary. Here are the words, definitions, and a visual. I think there are 9 words, and then we will go to the part 2, is where what you're going to do is you're actually going to upload pictures. So you're going to click on this Add Media, and then what you'll do is you'll go out using the 9 vocab words. You'll go out, you can use Google Images. I'm sure most of you are going to do that anyways. But you need to add the media. So click on the Add Media. You put the picture in there, and then make sure that you click the Captions button. Include your source, so the word and the source. Okay, and see, a bunch of people have already put. Try to make sure you put a picture that is not people have not done yet. All right, so we're going to have a huge collection of pictures for our vocab, and then what you will do to get credit for that is you'll maybe create a new document, put your 3 pictures on there, include them in, and then the source and which word you're defining, and then put that here in the Dropbox. All right, so that is your first assignment. Do that first here at the beginning so you get to know your vocab real well. Go through, and then of course quiz on day 4. And of course, everyone should be getting 100% on the quiz at the end of the week when I open it back up again, because you know what the questions were on there and you went through all the material. So everyone should be getting 100%. As always, my suggested schedule will take you through Friday, and then of course everything is absolutely due Sunday night, but please try to get everything done by Friday along with the suggested schedule. And as always, if you have any questions, go to the Start Here folder, all sorts of stuff to help you if you get stuck on anything. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week. I will see many of you on Wednesday. Thanks. Take care. Bye.